Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to put recycle bin on the File Explorer. So by default, if you go to the home page, desktop, you'll be able to see the recycle bin here. If you want to have it here on the File Explorer, all you have to do is come here and right click, and then there are a couple of options. Show this PC, show network. You have to click the show all folders. When you do that, you'll see all the folders that you have at the moment, and one of them is recycle bin. You may have to scroll down if you have tons of other folders here. So this is how you find a recycle bin on your file explorer on Windows 11. If you like the video, please thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel, as we see a lot of people coming to our website but not subscribing. We really appreciate it if you're subscribing to our channel. Thanks a lot.